This module is monitoring and troubleshooting Redshift performance issues, part of the High Performance Data Warehousing with Amazon Redshift course here on Pluralsight. My name is Russ Thomas and welcome back. We covered basic error monitoring in that first Redshift course, building your first data warehouse with Amazon Redshift. And in that course, we saw how Redshift helpfully drops errors into the STL load errors table, a system table that logs load errors. We've also regularly checked another helpful system view in this course, looking for table information related to compression, data types. That's the SVV table info view. These two sources of metadata should be second nature to the seasoned Redshift developer or administrator. But there are a ton of other system tables and views available to us to gather metrics, configuration details, and metadata about everything from user connections, sessions, transactions, memory allocations, and even WLM queries like we just covered. Not to mention a large number of catalog tables that were inherited from Postgres, those PG underscore tables. Those specific to Redshift are documented here, and those it shares in common with Postgres are documented here on this Postgres documentation site. Now, the naming convention of these system views and tables essentially indicates tables and views and logs and snapshots. For example, STL for system table log and STV for system table view. One shows a collection of historical information, the log, STL. The other shows information as of the exact runtime of the query, a snapshot, the STV. And then you have SVV and SVL, which are typically views built against the STV and STL tables and views, but reveal additional information, relationships, and deeper insights. In this final module, we're going to focus on a small collection of those system tables and views that help us monitor query performance. We'll explore some of the information available to us in these views and get you familiar with using them to analyze queries and then make decisions. We'll also line this information up with your query plans. From there, we'll see how others have combined these views for advanced metrics, those others specifically being the AWS Labs team. Once we've gotten comfortable with these queries, we'll explore using WLM a little bit more in order to log query behaviors or properties that maybe aren't covered by a system view or table, but could be of concern to us. As we saw in that workload management module, we can set rules for the action to take when a query in a queue breaks a rule. And one of those options is to simply log that action occurred. So we'll see how to do that and then leverage those logs to make improvements and take action on our Redshift design. Then to close up, we'll return to GitHub and explore a complete monitoring solution developed by the AWS Labs team that allows you to set up a dashboard using Amazon CloudWatch. This is fully customizable, so you can set up your own dashboard items within this project. And best of all, it's free to you. This comes out of the box with a handful of excellent metrics that are pre-configured and deployable with a few simple clicks. So first up, let's explore some of these system views and tables.